Hey guys, happy 2022 to you guys. I hope that this year brings many blessings to you guys. I am naturally a very optimistic human being. So I'm hoping that this year will be better than 2020 and 2021. This video is going to be about the 2022 vision board and what I'm setting out to do this year. I will also update you on the 2021 vision board that I showed you guys last year. I would say that part of that was a failure and I'm very happy with that. Okay, not everything came to fruition, but I did accomplish the most important tasks, and to me that alone fulfills me. Okay, so that we're going to be talking more about that, but before we begin, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so now if you recall, I wanted to get some clothes and shoes for these kids that I showed you last year on my vision board, that are in my country that I really wanted to help, and I'm very happy to report that all of that was very successful. I got so many clothes. A lot of my neighbors gave me clothes. I also had some people send me stuff, so that was the one thing on the vision board that was very accomplished. Now going into 2022, I still want to do the same thing, but this time I'm including an orphanage that my sister helps at, and in this orphanage I actually get pictures, which I'm actually going to include some of them in here. My younger sister, whom is a nurse, right, is still in my country, and she helps out there, right? And these are kids that their parents don't want them, right? So unlike America, I don't know if you guys have traveled outside to Africa. I'm from Ghana, so I don't know if you guys have been. I mean, there are no fire stations where you can just drop your baby in case you don't want the baby or anything like that. So these sort of orphanages help like the women and parents who don't want these kids that they have. So this year I'm including that orphanage, and I want to get them as many clothes, shoes, books, and everything. My goal one day is that I want to be able to sort of take over that orphanage, because a woman that takes care of them is very old. Okay, so it's my hope that one day I'm able to do that. So that is going to be a huge part of the vision board again this year, like last year. Okay, so that was the one aspect of the vision board that I would consider very successful. Now for the garden, I have to say that my goal for 2021 was a failure, and I'm happy with it. I'm often happy with failures, because failures actually make you learn and you do better the next time. So I'm still maintaining the designs for 2021 into 2022, but I'll be adding a few more designs, but I'll be tweaking everything to make it my own. And now for the garden, I'd have to say I didn't accomplish what I fully set out to do, because because I had poor time management, okay, and also because of some unforeseen circumstances that I had so many damages. A few trees fell down. I had to wait for the town, and if you live in a small town, you know that it takes forever for them to come out. So to make this year's vision board very successful, one of the key things I want to tackle is my very poor time management skills, and this is where I'm turning to Skillshare. Skillshare has this class by Thomas Frank. Thomas Frank actually has a YouTube channel, but his course over here is so in depth, and I've actually downloaded some of the apps and everything, and I'm going to be giving it a try, and here he is right now talking about it. If you don't know much about Skillshare, Skillshare is an online learning community with over 100,000 classes for many creators or people learning to improve upon their skills. So if you haven't tried Skillshare, they are going to give you 1 month free. I am going to pin that link right here in my description below, and even in the comment section, so make sure you check it out. They have many great things for you to learn. If it's the new year, whatever you're looking to improve upon, you want to check them out for free for the first month. Okay, so go ahead guys and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing. I hope you're staying safe out there, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.